Yeah, I want to just cover a real brief history about the Seafood Shack in Cortez, Florida. Um, about 1971, a marina opened at was it Ham Jones built the Seafood Shack Marina. And Cortez is kind of a historic fishing village there in Florida. About 1972, the restaurant was added. It was like a 150-seat restaurant constructed in 1972. In the 70s and the 90s, they had some expansion. There was a paddle wheeler added. I think the restaurant expanded over time into 2 stories with a 650-seat venue. So quite a lot of seating there. And for over 3 decades, guests enjoyed scenic boat tours. It was a 120-foot paddle wheeler that was named the Showboat. 1995, Cortez was designated as a National Historic District, which kind of emphasizes the area's cultural importance. 2014, it was acquired by the Canadian Van Dyke Group of companies. They purchased the whole 6-acre property, which included the marina, restaurant, banquet hall. This was around $4 million. Um, Received some renovations and some menu enhancements, but it also really tried to preserve its iconic old Florida charm. And I went there, I think the first time I ever went there was probably 1993, and then I've been there a few times since. The last time was in 2024, probably about 4 or 5 months before the hurricane that finally took it out. Mid 2010s, the facilities had some upgrades, um, pilings, some improved docks. I always love to go out and take pictures of some of the boats on the docks. 2024, 2025, Manatee County approved the purchase of the property. I guess it was $13 million. Their goal, I guess, is to transform it, at least part of it, into a public boating access facility with, I believe, a marina. I've got an article here from the AMI Sun that goes into a little bit more detail. So yeah, we got this article here. The Seafood Shack was demolished for a county-owned marina in Manatee County. This is back from looking at an article here from the AMI Sun. That was April 28th, 2025. Pretty sad seeing the picture of it destroyed here. Um, and it began back like in 1971. I know for myself, I think the earliest I went there was in the early 90s, probably about 1993 or so. I've gone there on and off since, so it's kind of one of those special places to go to. Um, but yeah, yeah, pretty sad. I've got some pictures that I took there. Would have been in May of 2024, just a few months before the hurricane that destroyed it. I believe there was also, yeah, I also had Annie's Bait and Tackle Shop that was nearby, and that was demolished on April 16th of 2025. And I believe it was in that spot since about the 1950s, according to the article. So pretty sad, but I'm just going to leave with some of the last pictures that I ever took from there with a little music in the background. So if you're missing the Seafood Shack like I am, I hope you enjoy.